Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this tablet. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System. Over here, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!